Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change gear in your Toyota Corolla. First, familiarize yourself with the gear selector's layout, typically found in the center console. Always press the brake pedal firmly before moving the selector. To begin driving, shift from park to drive. For reversing, select reverse. Practice these movements to ensure smooth and confident operation. Your automatic Corolla features standard gear positions: P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, and D for drive. Always ensure your foot is on the brake when shifting from park or neutral to any other gear. Use drive for forward motion and reverse for backing up. Neutral is for brief stops or when the vehicle needs to be moved without engine power. Beyond the basic drive, your Corolla might offer additional modes. L or B, brake, modes provide engine braking, useful for controlling speed on long downhill grades without overusing your brakes. Sport mode, often labeled S, offers a more dynamic driving experience with quicker acceleration. Use these modes to adapt your driving to various road conditions or specific needs. For the longevity of your Corolla's transmission, always bring the vehicle to a complete stop before shifting into park or reverse. This prevents unnecessary wear and tear. Regular maintenance, including checking your transmission fluid levels, is crucial for smooth and reliable gear changes. Remember, proper shifting techniques contribute significantly to your vehicle's overall health. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.